Hi, it's Jackie Othen here. Today's Real Estate Real Talk is about foam maintenance tips. Really important things to consider as the weather shifts and the days become shorter. Making sure that you've got lots of good lighting in your house to make evening showings easy. Making sure curb appeal is up. You want to look great. You want to make sure that you tend to any sort of sun exposed or beaten up areas, whether it's a roof, whether it's your windows, anything on the exterior that buyers will see the moment they pull into your driveway. Take care of that. Sand things down, clean things up, seal up cracks, put caulking where it should go if you start to see little holes where critters can get in. Especially this time of year as the weather changes, little critters, mice are looking to get into the home where it's warm. So if you don't want that kind of stuff to deal with and mice in the attic or in the house, you want to make sure to seal up all the cracks. Most important thing in my opinion as a homeowner is to make sure that your mechanics are up to date and maintained, whether it's semi-annually or annually. Change your furnace filters, make sure that you've covered up your AC once you shut it off, that you've washed your fan coil, and it's worth having a plan on there so that you get a professional to come through the house at least once a year, in my opinion, maybe twice a year, to look at your furnace, your AC, and even your gas fireplaces to make sure that you are operating at tip-top condition, because surely when you sell, these are definitely going to come up by a buyer in their home inspection. So make sure your house in terms of mechanics is in pristine shape this fall for your health and well-being and for the sake of buyers coming to the table with an offer. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck with the sale of your home.